Alright y'all, in this video, man, as you can see, my ClickBank account is pretty empty, man. I haven't made no sales in almost a week. I need a new promotion strategy, so guess what I'm doing? I'm about to go over Fiverr, man, because I know a lot of y'all always come to Fiverr looking for courses and stuff, and y'all just want to see basically what this stuff is hitting on, man. So what I'm gonna do is find me a ClickBank course, find somebody to teach me how to make money on ClickBank. I'm gonna go through the training material and basically give my 2 cents on it and let y'all know if it's a good course or not. Now, of course, my promotion methods work. I just haven't promoted nothing in here. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm gonna find me a couple Fiverr gigs, maybe 1 or 2. Just go through the course that they could give, and then yeah, basically just give y'all a review and let y'all know if these Fiverr courses is worth it. Because I know a lot of y'all come here looking for information to go and learn how to promote products on ClickBank. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, so as you can see, I'm already pulled up on Fiverr. I just did a search for ClickBank, and right off the bat, I see I will autopilot ClickBank site. I'm not really looking for a sales funnel in this video. I'll probably do a separate one going over Fiverr and I lost track that quick. Oh, going over Fiverr and ClickBank affiliate marketing sales funnels. But in this video, I just want to find like a ClickBank course teaching me how to make money on ClickBank. So if I scroll down, I'll do productive. I see everybody know how to make sales funnels nowadays. It's crazy. I don't want you to drive traffic. Nope. Give you the 50 best. Nope. I don't want that. Scroll down a little bit. All right, here we go. I will give secret ClickBank promotion method with free traffic. I'm guessing that's what it say. Let's go check out this gig. So 1-day delivery, ClickBank plus free traffic method. Let's scroll down, look at the gig description. Are you struggling to make sales on ClickBank? Have no money for paid ads like Facebook, YouTube, native, blah, blah, blah. Then let me help you out. You make money with free traffic. I have 2 YouTube channels that makes me $100, $200 a day. It only took 6 months to achieve this, blah, blah, blah. So it's basically about ClickBank and YouTube, free traffic, and how to create a channel and make money from it, I guess. Show you a secret software to make product videos to upload without showing your face. Where to get contents, blah, blah, blah. Plus some fast action bonuses, how to rank on YouTube. All right, so this is a course that I'm interested in. I'm gonna end up getting this one. Average response time, 2 hours. Let me look at the reviews before I go and purchase it. Let's see. 2 days ago, excellent, all business, fast result, good investment, lots of extra bonuses as well. Recommend, good service. So she's selling this pretty much on a day-to-day basis, and she got all good reviews. So I'm gonna go with this one, and let me look at this one. Okay, I will get you ClickBank affiliate mastery training. Let's check this out as well, see what's inside. This one got 70 reviews, 1 order in queue. Let's see what this is about. ClickBank affiliate mastery training divided into 12 modules. Selecting CPA promotion, getting approved on CPA networks, Facebook business account, retargeting, website conversion campaign, YouTube campaign, native ads. Okay, this looks like a pretty good offer right here. I'm gonna end up buying both of these though. It's only $15 combined. And yeah, it seems like I'm gonna learn some stuff. I feel like I'm gonna learn more from this course because they're teaching Facebook business, well, basically Facebook ads, YouTube ads, native ads, and mobile marketing plus free traffic. So it seems like this one is more valuable. Let's see, let me look at the reviews, man, because it sounds too good to be true right now. 1 month ago, very fast to deliver. There's a lot to learn in this course. Blah blah. Order was fast, very fast, as described. Great content. All right, so I'm gonna go with these 2 different courses. What I'm about to do is actually sign into my Fiverr account and basically go through the checkout and purchase both of these courses real quick. All right, so I just signed into my account. Next thing to do is click on continue, continue to checkout. Now let me sign into my PayPal account and make this purchase. All right, so this 1 course down. I just purchased the $10 one. Thank you for registering. Do not worry, we'll send you a complete blah, blah, blah. See you soon. I'm gonna put okay, thanks. And start order. So I should be getting this within the next 24 hours. Now it is time to go and purchase the other course. Let me go click on continue. Continue to checkout, confirm and pay, and boom. Thank you for your purchase. Now I brought both courses, and now it says thank you. Just type waiting for delivery below and submit. Put that in there and start order. All right, so both my orders is now in the works. As you can see, it should be getting delivered within the next day or so. So what I'm gonna do is go through each of these courses and I'm gonna give my review and basically give it like a rating one by one, and then let you know if these Fiverr courses, you know, teaching how to make money on ClickBank and stuff is worth it. So I will get back with y'all when everything is completed.
2 hours later.
All right, y'all, as you can see, I'm behind my Fiverr account, and both of them got delivered within like a 15-minute time span. And in the meantime, between time, I was checking out the programs or whatever, or checking out the gigs. And I went through the first course, the one I spent $5 or $7 after fees on. I went through the whole course. I liked it. I like what I seen. It was pretty much going over how to do, you know, ClickBank and YouTube without being on camera and stuff. And they showed you a software that you can go and use. I believe I talked about the same exact software that he talked about on my channel earlier, I think like the middle of last year or whatever. But this is a pretty good training, especially for $5. I don't know if this is the actual person behind it, because I know a lot of times people come on here on Fiverr, they'll go buy somebody else's course and then go and sell it on here for $5 or $10. And like I said, if this is the person, I would give this out of 10. I give it a 7 out of 10. I like the information in here. It's pretty straightforward, straight to the point, wasn't complicated, and he was basically showing his income proof and everything. So I give this one, I give this one a 7 out of 10. I like the course. It was definitely worth more than $5. And this is one of those courses where it'll basically add up over time. It's not something that, you know, you're gonna get instant results with. You need to basically post consistently in order to get results, just like you really do with anything. Now with Instagram influencers, what I've been teaching over the last couple months, you know, you can get results as quick as 24 hours and keep that going. But as far as like building like passive income with ClickBank and YouTube, it's just gonna take time and just posting consistently. So that's pretty much what this course is about. Like I said, I give this a hard 7 out of 10. Now going to the next one, I just went through the information and I can tell this is one of those people that basically buy other people's courses and then just give it away for basically pennies on the dollar. This course was $10, and it basically included some courses that I even paid for. I paid the full price for it, and actually people that I'm cool with. So just because y'all gaming the system, man, because somebody sold my course on Fiverr before too, I had to get it taken down. But just because, you know, you basically gaming me and my friends, I'm gonna have to give you a 0 on this. I'm not gonna say who courses it is, but this person is selling some courses that he shouldn't be. And I already contacted my friends and let them know that they selling their courses for pennies on the dollar. So this course get a 0 out of 10. The other one get a hard 7 because I like the information. Now, like I said, it's not no get rich quick method from this one, but it actually does work because I actually did it myself. So long story short, can you make money with these courses? With the first one, yes. With the second one, I'm gonna give that one a hard no. But that's pretty much my review on these 2 Fiverr gigs I just purchased to teach me, you know, basically how to make money on ClickBank. And yeah, man, y'all can go check this stuff out if y'all want to. But hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of more challenges or other Fiverr gigs y'all want to see me purchase in the future and then review. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff, so you can be notified when I release my next video. I will see y'all in the next one.